William Samoei Ruto, the president-elect of the Republic of Kenya, is yet again set to humiliate Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta combined with Raila Amolo Odinga. William Samoei Ruto managed to humiliate Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and Raila Amolo Odinga in the just concluded 2022 general elections, whereby he managed to beat all odds, beat all challenges facing him, to becoming the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya. And he will be sworn in next week on 13th September 2022. So today, the members of the National Assembly, together with the members of the Senate, will be sworn in today, and after that, they will now elect their speaker and their deputy speaker. So that is why yesterday, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, or both Azimio la Umoja coalition and the Kenya Kwanza coalition, held their PG meeting, guided by their team leaders. Like, for example, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta was the one leading the Azimio la Umoja as the Azimio la Umoja chairman, together with Raila Amolo Odinga in that PG meeting. The main purpose or the main agenda of that meeting of both the alliances was because of one thing. They just wanted to agree and settle on one speaker. And after that meeting, the Azimio la Umoja coalition settled on Kenneth Marende. I know most of you know him because he was once the Speaker of the National Assembly. So they nominated Speaker Kenneth Marende to be their Speaker of the National Assembly. And they settled on his Deputy Speaker to be Farah Maalim. While they settled on Kalonzo as the Speaker of the Senate, together with his Deputy Speaker to be Manzo Stewart. And I think Kalonzo Musyoka must look keenly on his political career. If he's not very careful, he will end up ruining his entire political career, because this is the same Kalonzo who wanted to be the president of the Republic of Kenya in 2022. He went into a negotiation with the Azimio la Umoja, and he was promised, not even the DP, he was promised to be the chief prime minister of the Azimio la Umoja if Raila Amolo Odinga becomes the president of the Republic of Kenya. Right now, Raila Amolo Odinga did not manage to become the president of the Republic of Kenya. Kalonzo Musyoka was set to become the speaker. Now he has been reduced from the speaker, from the president of the Republic of Kenya, not even a DP, but he wanted to become the Speaker of the National Assembly. But yesterday, the Wiper National Executive Council, Wiper Party National Executive Council, advised Kalonzo Musyoka not to participate in that contest of becoming the third in command, the Speaker of the National Assembly, because according to the way things are right now, it will be a humiliating process whereby Kalonzo Musyoka will not win. So they advised Kalonzo Musyoka. Now, he decided to quit to being the Speaker of the National Assembly and decided to settle on the Speaker of the Senate. Now, the same Kalonzo is not the third in command, because he sees that there is no possibility of him becoming the third in command, because the Speaker of the National Assembly is the third in command. It is the highest position. Now he has been taken, or he decided to go to be the Speaker of the Senate. But I will not be surprised if he will also be defeated by the Kenya Kwanza, because these things is all about numbers. On this side of the Kenya Kwanza alliance, led by Dr. William Samoei Ruto, they settled on Moses Masika Wetangula to being the Speaker of the National Assembly, and his Deputy Speaker to become Boss Sholei, the women rep for Uasin Gishu County. Yeah. And they settled on Amason Kingi to be the Speaker of the Senate, with his deputy Kaduri Murungi of Meru County. Right? So, this is now where the tyranny of numbers is needed. After the just concluded 2022 general elections, Kalonzo Musyoka was on the forefront, just thumping that we have a commanding numbers. Now we want to see these numbers, because for you to elect the speaker, you must have the majority, because this is an election. You must have the majority. Who is qualified to elect the Speaker of the National Assembly? The Speaker of the National Assembly, according to the Constitution of Kenya, it says that the Speaker is elected by the members of the National Assembly among persons who are qualified to be the members of the Parliament. Right now, as we speak, the members of the Parliament, you need to have the majority of the members of Parliament. And according to the records that I have here, is that the Kenya Kwanza Alliance, or Azimio la Umoja, let's start with the Azimio la Umoja. The Azimio la Umoja Alliance has the legal majority of the National Assembly. They have the legal majority. What do I mean by the legal majority? I personally mean that the Azimio la Umoja in the just 2022 concluded 2022 general elections, it appeared to be having the majority of the members of the National Assembly as Azimio la Umoja. But right now, as we speak, the Kenya Kwanza has the numeric strength. Right now, as we speak, William Samoei Ruto managed to engineer massive defection from Azimio la Umoja, and right now, as we speak, the Kenya Kwanza Alliance is backed up with the majority of the members of the National Assembly, because all the independent candidates actually joined him, and other parties who defected from the Azimio la Umoja, like the UDM. Was it the UDM party of Northeastern? They defected from Azimio la Umoja together with its members of Parliament to Kenya Kwanza. Right now, William Samoei Ruto is controlling the House. He has the majority. Let me read you the records that I have here, so that, you know, here I have always maintained that we don't deal with propaganda. We deal with the facts. We deal with the facts. So before we go even into deeper details of this video, if you're watching this video for the first time, please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend my channel to reach out to other people. And to my subscribers, I also want to take this opportunity. Thank you guys for your support. Actually, I'm not taking your support for granted. So you can comment also after watching this video. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section below. Let me hear your views concerning this event of electing the Speaker of the National Assembly and the Senate. Let me hear your views on this video. Also, you can also press that notification bell so that each and every time I upload a video on this platform, you will be able to get the notification. In the just concluded 2022 general election, the UDA as a party, not the Kenya Kwanza as a coalition, the UDA as a party managed to attain the majority of the members of the National Assembly. It had 132 members of the National Assembly, followed by the ODM, Orange Democratic Movement, as a party, not as a coalition, the Azimio, but as a party. The ODM, led by Raila Amolo Odinga, managed to attain 84 members of the National Assembly, followed by Jubilee. Jubilee had 26 members of the National Assembly. Wiper Party had 25 members of the National Assembly. Then we have the independent candidates are 13, and remember that 11 of the 13 independent candidates defected, or they went to Kenya Kwanza Alliance, 11 out of 13. Then followed by 7 of the ANC, led by Musalia Mudavadi. We had 6 of Ford Kenya, led by Moses Masika Wetangula. And all other parties, because we have many, or the majority, very many parties. So I'm not going to read out all of them, because the PAA of Amason Kingi had 4, TSP of Mwangi Kiunjuri had 2, and the rest, we have so many. They had 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, including the CCM of Isaac Ruto. As a coalition now, Kenya Kwanza, the last time I checked the records, because right now I personally believe that they have improved, but when I checked the records, William Samoei Ruto's Kenya Kwanza was leading with 157 members of the National Assembly, while the Azimio la Umoja had 153 members of the National Assembly. The independent candidates are 13, but 11 of them went to Kenya Kwanza. So that is how Dr. William Samoei Ruto will humiliate Raila Amolo Odinga and Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta today during the election of the speaker, because it requires voting. And when you have the majority, when you are controlling the house, you have that possibility of the person who you have nominated to becoming the speaker. Let us go to the Senate, whereby Amason Kingi and Kalonzo Musyoka are contesting. The Senate, Kenya Kwanza has 24, the last time I checked, 24 senators, while Azimio la Umoja had 22 senators, and we have one senator who is Omkia Omtata. I think he is an independent. He ran as an independent, if I'm not wrong, but you can correct me. So, even if Omkia Omtata comes to Azimio la Umoja, the Azimio la Umoja still will be the minority with 23, while the Kenya Kwanza Alliance will be with 24. Not unless otherwise, but I see Amason Kingi becoming the Speaker of the Senate, while Moses Masika Wetangula becoming the third in command, Speaker of the National Assembly. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.